The drive belt is accessible by removing the airbox from the engine bay. Disconnect the wire harness for the mass airflow sensor, upper right yellow arrow, along with the clips that mount it to the airbox, purple arrows. Then pop out the oil filler tube from its holder, blue arrow. On the 996s, disconnect the housing from the chassis by removing the nut that fastens it down, red arrow. Finally, remove the clamp that attaches the intake boot to the throttle body, green arrow, and remove the air cleaner assembly from the car. If you have a 3.8, don't forget to disconnect the wire on the back of the airbox for the resonance valve. The lower right insert photo shows a belt that is getting very old and showing numerous cracks in its ribbed surface, red arrow. With the air filter housing removed, you can see all of the various components that are driven by the main belt. On the right are the air conditioning compressor, yellow arrow, and the power steering pump, green arrow. On the left is the alternator, blue arrow. On the bottom is the water pump, purple arrow. The crankshaft is in the center, shown by the orange arrow. To release the tension on the belt, simply place a 24mm socket attached to a breaker bar on the idler and turn it clockwise. With the tension removed, you can take the belt off and install a new one. Here's a brand new crate 3.4-liter 996 motor direct from Porsche. The various components shown are 1. Power steering pump, 2. Alternator, 3. Idler pulley, 4. Water pump, 5. Air conditioning compressor not installed, 6. Crankshaft, 7. Tensioner pulley, 8. Lower idler pulley. On the lower right is a photo of what a brand new belt looks like. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.